Hey everyone, it's your boy Corey with Real Broker here with another home tour. Before we move forward, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. Also, click on the link in the pinned comment section to schedule a buyer's consultation. Are you a first-time home buyer? Are you looking for a potential vacation home? If so, you have to check out this beautiful, completely renovated Doraville home. Make sure to watch till the end because this home comes with a beautiful lake in the back with a private deck. The home has 3 beds and 2 baths and over 2,500 square feet. This home is minutes away from the Assembly Universal Studios. The listing agent for this home is Scott Lewis with Keller Williams. Alright, enjoy the tour. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a time to tour a home, please click on the pinned link in the comment section and schedule a time for us to discuss. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, your dream home is just around the corner if you believe. Until next time, bye. Mwah.